Hey everybody, I'm Eric from Neater Nest, and I'm excited to be here today to show you guys my mudroom project. So we plan to take our entryway in our house and convert it into a more welcoming mudroom type space. So when you come into the house, you'll have a place to put your shoes, hang up your coat. There will be pockets for hats and gloves. There will be a bench that you can sit down and put your shoes on, and there will be a trunk underneath that bench that you can store winter clothes and other things. So I'm not a professional woodworker by any means. I'm just an ordinary guy that's super passionate about home improvement projects, and I want to share what I'm doing with the world in hopes that I'll inspire more people to take on projects like this. And I want to walk you through my process of scheduling, planning, shopping for materials, and how I put it all together and make a successful project. And I hope that that will inspire more people to take on bigger projects like this. And anyway, if you enjoy content like this and you find it helpful, please like it, share it on social media, and that helps us to reach more people. So I'm ready to get started. The best part about home projects is working with your kids. How's it going, Kraz? What are you working on? Are you cleaning up that board for me? Sweet, thank you. Alright, so I got the wainscoting roughed in and it's looking pretty good. No big surprises. I almost ran out of material over here, and so what I ended up doing was there's going to be a bench here, and I figured this is all going to get covered up by the bench. So I put my seam right there where the bench is going to be, and I had some extra scrap material. So I used that to solve that problem. That saved me a trip back to Home Depot and saved me some money, probably like $15–16. So yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna take all this out and we'll put some glue down and we'll glue it up, nail it up, and yeah, and then we'll start building our storage pockets and our bench. So it was a good day. I finished 5 minutes past my schedule. I still need to clean up a little bit here tonight, so and then make some dinner. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.